Hey guys, Josh here again. Today we're going to show you how to easily change a belt on one of these 94 to 02 trucks by yourself. I know they can be a real pig with getting the belt on and your tensioner, and it's easier to do it at the bottom, I find, to let gravity help you out, but then you got to get somebody to hold the tensioner. Anyways, we're going to show you how to change a belt super easy. First we're going to get to taking the old one off. But the reason we're doing this is my AC compressor is squealing really bad. The bearings are gone in it. I think it just started it really bad the other day, and the pulley's coming out of the compressor, so it's pretty bad. So I ran into town quick, prayed that my tensioner wasn't gonna, or my compressor wasn't gonna crap out on the way in. So yeah, we got this Gates belt here. I know some guys bypass their AC. They take the compressor off and they put in a pulley. I don't really see why guys would do that, because you're adding another pulley to maintain and it costs a bunch of money for the bracket. What you can do is just buy a belt that's for the non-AC trucks. You can bypass it, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take off my nice Gates green belt there, and I'm putting on another Gates belt. It's just a black regular one. But this way I can pull off my compressor on it and work on it over the winter, see if I need a new one or if I can get away with just fixing it. And then I can put it back on and swap my belts over after. So what you're gonna need is a longer wrench, 3/8 drive. I prefer to just use my small torque wrench. I prefer something ratcheting because you can get it on that tensioner, ratchet it down, and then bring it up. And you're gonna need a big flathead like this. So first off, get this on your tensioner. So take this off, let your wrench back down. So pull your existing belt off around all your pulleys and everything. And a little tricky around the tensioner and stuff. And then let gravity do the work for you. Wrap it around your fan here, and if there's nothing bad on the ground below, just let her drop. You can jiggle your fan to let it fall through the blades. There we go. And you can usually just pull it up. There we go. There's our one off. Now we can grab our new belt to put it on. Again, take your belt. I always put the writing facing you. Route it around your fan, let gravity do the work, and drop it down to the bottom and start routing it as the pattern you have on your truck. So in this case, we are bypassing my AC so I can work on it. So we're gonna use this pattern, and that's your old one. So we're gonna route it like that, and then I'll show you how to use my trick to get it back on. All right, guys. So put your ratchet back on your tensioner. Alright, so once you have it on your tensioner, grab it again, pull that tensioner up. You'll see the top of my ratchet here, or my torque wrench, goes like this. Take your screwdriver, you put it between your thermostat housing here and your lifting eye, and it'll rest right in there. Show you here. So there you go. You wedge that between here and here. If you got a screwdriver that's got a grip like this, that's best because it'll hold your wrench in there. And now you can simply take, it's gonna be hard for me to show you here again, guys, but your tension's off. You can just take your belt, put it on, pull your screwdriver out, and you're done. All right, so now you just take the tension off, lift up here, slowly let your tension back, and give your wrench a wiggle, pull that out, and there you go, guys. Our belt is on, and in this case we bypassed the AC, but in other videos you'll be doing it the other way from below, and this is where it comes in really handy. You have your wrench up here tensioned up. You can go down to your compressor pulley, pull that belt over, come up, take your screwdriver out, and let her go. So alright guys, that's how to change a belt on one of these 94 to 02 Cummins 1224 valve the easy way. all the Cummins of that lifting eye there in that thermostat housing right there, and pipes, so you can use this on every one as long as you got a longer ratcheting wrench like that. Makes the job super easy. You're not battling, pulling on it while trying to get that belt on there.
As always guys, thanks for watching, and please give the channel a like and a subscribe. If my videos interest you, please click on my channel and check out my other videos.